Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Hubstaff as an employee. I'll cover creating your account, installing the desktop application, tracking time to the right project, and more. By the end of this video, you will know how to clock in confidently, avoid common mistakes, and know how to manage this tool with ease. If you want to follow along as you watch this video, use the link in the description down below. Create your free account as you watch along. Now, as an employee, your employer will send you an invite by email. You want to open it, create your password, and join the existing organization or team. When you land on the dashboard, you want to switch the top left view from all to me so you can see your own numbers. It will show you hours worked, activity, project this week, and so on. This will help keep things focused. Second, you can install the desktop application. Now, you can track inside the browser, but the desktop application is smoother and more accurate. So you can click on your profile and then download. Choose your operating system, whether Windows or Mac, and then you just simply install it like any other normal application. You log in with the same account that you just set up, and then once you open the app, you will see a simple window that says project or task. You will also be able to see a notes box and the stop button. A tip I would recommend is to pin the app to your dock or taskbar so you can start and stop with just one click. So with the application ready, let's go ahead and make sure that the time goes to the right place. And you can do that by picking the right project and task every time. So before you hit start, you want to select the correct project. If tasks are enabled, pick the tasks as well. This is what your manager or your boss will see in reports and payroll. If you click the wrong project, you will have to go through fixing requests later on. So a common scenario would be, for example, if you're a designer and you're going between website redesign and social posts, you want to choose the project that matches what you're doing before you start. Add a short note like homepage revisions, as these notes will help when you or your manager review your day. If you don't see your project, stop and ping your manager. They'll be able to double check everything and re-add you into it. Now let's go ahead and see how we can clock in. You simply click start when you begin your work, click pause for breaks, lunch, coffee breaks, or long meetings that should not be tracked, and then you click stop when you're done. Keep in mind that there is also idle time, so if you step away, Hubstaff may detect inactivity in your mouse and keyboard and then ask you if you want to keep or discard that time. And that's essentially how you can do the tracking. Now you understand what your manager actually sees. The next thing is the screenshots, activity, apps, and URL. So your organization can actually enable screenshots from their own point of view. They can also enable the activity tracking and app or URL tracking. For the screenshots, they will be taken at random intervals while the timer runs. They will show your screen. Your org might enable the blurring of the screenshot, so not everything is visible, but still close your personal windows and keep your work clean. For the activity percentage, it's not recording your content or keystrokes, just keyboard and mouse movement levels. It's just a rough signal that you are present, not a kind of spy cam. And then we have the apps and URLs, as Hubstaff can log the names of the applications and websites that you use while on the clock. It will not read your email, but it can show that you spent 30 minutes in YouTube if that's what you did. So if it's not work related, you don't want to do it on the clock. You also have access to timesheets, so you can go to the timesheets and then my timesheets in the web dashboard. And here you will see each day's hours. Click a day to edit entries, as the edits will need manager approval, so you can add a clear note about it. If your team uses Hubstaff tasks or integrates with Jira, Trello, etc., you may see tasks inside the timer dropdown. And from here you can always choose the exact task that you're working on, adding quick notes for more context, as this will help your lead understand where time goes and speeds up approvals. If a task is missing, you can ask your manager to assign it first. And if you are on the move, there is a mobile application for that, as you can install the Hubstaff mobile application on iOS or Android if you need to track fieldwork or answer clients on the go. You can start or stop the timer from your phone, track GPS if your org enabled job sites, and add notes and switch projects. Only enable location services if your role needs it. But if your job is fully on computer, you can stick to the desktop application instead. So to wrap things up, here is how you can use Hubstaff as an employee. You want to accept your invite and land in the right team, and then install and use the desktop application and mobile if needed. You track time to the correct project or task with clear notes, handle screenshots, activity, and application or URL tracking without any stress, and then edit and submit timesheets, request time off if you need to, and check payments. Once again, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below to open your Hubstaff account right now, pick your project, and hit start. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.